10 mind-blowing life hacks that will change your world. Welcome back to our channel, where we uncover the most amazing life hacks and tips that will make your life easier and more efficient. Today, we're bringing you 10 mind-blowing life hacks that will change your world. Stick around to the end to discover our #1 life hack that will leave you speechless. Let's get started. Life hack 1: opening jars with ease. Tired of struggling with stubborn jar lids? Simply wrap a rubber band around the lid to create extra grip and watch those lids twist off with ease. Life hack 2: instantly cool down your drink. Want to cool down a drink quickly without watering it down? Wrap a wet paper towel around your drink and pop it in the freezer for 10-15 minutes. Your drink will be ice cold in no time. Life hack 3: removing permanent marker stains. Accidentally wrote on a whiteboard with a permanent marker? Don't panic. Just go over the permanent marker with a dry erase marker and the permanent ink will wipe away effortlessly. Life hack 4: revive a dead smartphone battery. Phone battery dead and you need to make an urgent call? Try this hack. Plug your phone into the charger, then remove and reinsert the battery quickly. This should give your phone just enough juice to make that important call. Life hack 5: perfectly fold a fitted sheet. Folding a fitted sheet can be a frustrating task, but not anymore. Follow this simple method. Tuck the corners of the sheet into one another, then fold the sheet as usual, and you'll have a perfectly folded fitted sheet every time. Life hack 6: untangle necklace chains. Tangled necklace chains driving you crazy? Use a straight pin or needle to gently work through the knots, and your necklace will be tangle-free in no time. Life hack 7: DIY smartphone stand. Need a quick smartphone stand? Use a pair of sunglasses. Just flip them upside down and rest your phone on the bridge, and you have an instant hands-free stand. Life hack 8: keep your earbuds tangle-free. Keep your earbuds tangle-free by wrapping them around a binder clip, then clipping the clip onto your bag or pocket. No more tangled messes. Life hack 9: make your shoes smell fresh. Smelly shoes? Place a few dry tea bags inside each shoe overnight to absorb odors and leave them smelling fresh. Life hack 10: the ultimate phone charger holder. And finally, our #1 life hack: create a makeshift phone charger holder by cutting an empty lotion bottle to fit your charger and phone. No more frayed cords or damaged outlets. And there you have it, 10 mind-blowing life hacks that will change your world. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing life hacks and tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.